Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to give page number in Microsoft Word. If you find this video helpful, then please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It really helps us a lot. Okay, so let's dive in. Now, first of all, open Microsoft Word on your computer. It's obvious. Now, click over here on Insert, as you can see. Now go over here on Page Numbers. Click on it. Now from here, you can select page number wherever you want to put it. For example, I want to add page number on top of the page, so I will click on top of page. Now, as you can see, page number is added on the top of page. Now if I want to add it to the bottom, I will click on bottom of page and play number 1. Now as you can see, the page number is added to the bottom. So that's how you can add page number in Microsoft Word. You can experiment with it. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.